Traveling is exciting, but it can also be stressful without the right tools. The best travel apps can save time, reduce hassle, and make trips smoother from start to finish. Whether it's booking flights, navigating new cities, or finding the best local spots, these apps make travel effortless. Navigation is essential, and Google Maps is the go-to app for directions, public transit routes, and real-time traffic updates. It works offline, so maps can be downloaded in advance to avoid data issues when traveling internationally. Finding affordable flights is easier with Skyscanner. It compares prices across multiple airlines, highlights the cheapest dates to fly, and even tracks price changes with alerts. For unique stays and budget-friendly lodging, Airbnb offers homes, apartments, and experiences hosted by locals. It provides more flexibility than traditional hotels and is perfect for travelers looking for something different. Figuring out how to get from one place to another is simple with Roam to Rio. This app shows all possible transportation options: flights, trains, buses, ferries, and even driving routes, making trip planning seamless. Language barriers can be a challenge, but Google Translate makes communication easier. With real-time text and voice translation, along with offline functionality, it helps travelers understand and speak different languages instantly. Converting currency on the go is crucial, and XE Currency provides live exchange rates and offline conversion. It ensures travelers always know how much they're spending in different currencies. Forgetting essential items is frustrating, but PackPoint prevents that. It creates a customized packing list based on the trip's destination, weather, and activities. Organizing travel plans is effortless with TripIt. By syncing with email, it automatically compiles flight details, hotel reservations, and itineraries into one easy-to-access place. TripIt is a must-have for organizing all your travel plans in one place. It keeps your itinerary, reservations, and confirmations neatly arranged, so you can access them anytime, anywhere. Reliable transportation is key in unfamiliar places. Uber and Lyft offer quick and safe rides in most major cities worldwide, eliminating the need for taxis or public transit confusion. Finding the best local restaurants, attractions, and services is easy with Yelp. With detailed reviews, ratings, and photos from other travelers, it helps pick the best spots to visit. These apps simplify travel, making every trip more convenient and stress-free. From booking flights and accommodations to navigating new destinations, having these apps ensures a smoother journey. Download them before the next trip for an easier and more enjoyable travel experience.